Hello all, and welcome to KMT. Is your PS4 controller not turning on? Is your controller not charging? In this video, we will discuss a few ways to fix a PS4 controller that doesn't charge or connect and have it working again. Fix number 1. Clean the charging port. Over time, the charging port of the PS4 controller may get dirty and have debris stuck inside. Take some canned air and clean out the charging port. If you don't have canned air laying around, just blow into the port and see if that helps. Fix number 2. Replace the charging cable. The micro USB cable you use to charge your PS4 controller may get damaged or fray over time. Find another micro USB cable laying around the house and try to see if that works. If you don't have a spare cable, these are pretty cheap cables. You can purchase them for a couple bucks off of Amazon. Fix number 3. Reset the PS4 controller. Using a paperclip, toothpick, or small thin object, press and hold the reset button located on the back side of the controller. Hold it down for 5 seconds to ensure it has been reset. Now connect your controller to your PS4 console using a micro USB cable and try turning it on. Fix number 4. Power cycle your PS4. Plug in a micro USB cable into your PS4 controller and the other end into the PS4 console. Ensure your PS4 is powered on. Now unplug the power cable from the back of the PS4 console and wait 10 seconds. Now reseat the power cable and wait for the PS4 to turn back on, and try connecting the controller to the PS4. Fix number 5. Damaged micro USB port. In case the micro USB port has been damaged on your PS4 controller, you can actually purchase a PS4 controller charging unit. This unit charges the controller using the port on the bottom of the controller and not the often used top port. Fix number 6. Repair or purchase a new controller. If the previous steps in this video did not help, you have the option of repairing the charging port of the controller. If you are comfortable doing this repair, we will leave a link in the description to a step-by-step guide on how to perform this repair, as well as the replacement charging port itself. If you're not comfortable opening up the controller, or simply too lazy, you will need to purchase a new controller. Thank you for watching KMT. If this video helped you out, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below.